List to me, O Madeline. Now the snows have left the plain, which they warmly cloaked. Come into the forest groves, where the notes that echo loves are from horns evoked. Come, where springtide, Madeline, brings a sultry breath from Spain, giving buds their hue. And, last night, to glad your eye, laid the floral marquetry, red and gold and blue. Would I were, O Madeline, as the lamb whose wool you train, through your tender hands. Would I were the bird that whirls round, and comes to peck your curls, happy in such bands. Were I e'en, O Madeline, hermit whom the herd disdain, in his pious cell, when your purest lips unfold sins which might to all be told, as to him you tell. Would I were, O Madeline, moth that murmurs gainst your pane, peering at your rest, as, so like its woolly wing, ceasing scarce its fluttering, heaves and sinks your breast. If you seek it, Madeline, you may wish, and not in vain, for a serving host, and your splendid hall of state shall be envied by the great, or the Jew king's boast. If you name it, Madeline, round your head no more you'll train simple marguerites. No, the coronet of peers, whom the queen herself oft fears, and the monarch greets. If you wish, O Madeline, where you gaze you long shall reign, for I'm ruler here. I'm the lord who asks your hand, if you do not bid me stand, loving shepherd here.